Investigator Hank Winchester.
Those storms moved in quickly, and as you can see here in this Dearborn Heights neighborhood, they did a lot of damage. Just take a look at this mess. Down lines all over this Dearborn Heights neighborhood, covering this man's cars.
Those are my cars right there, and we can't get out to do anything. My wife can't go to
rent a vehicle?
I already rented one vehicle, and I got to go back and rent the second vehicle.
The wild weather yesterday causing all of these issues.
We're just watching some TV, and I'm looking out my window, and next thing you know, here comes all the poles, and the grass ignited from the wires, and it fell on top of everything.
DTE crews were here last night putting up caution tape and bringing in a few new poles. I contacted DTE today, and within hours, crews were on the scene removing those dangerous lines. A spokesperson tells me the high winds caused more than 850 power lines to fall to the ground on trees and yards and on other items nearby, including vehicles. In addition, a total of 150,000 DTE customers lost power. We understand that being without power and not being able to access your vehicle is frustrating. We apologize for the inconvenience. If you yourself are still without power, make sure you notify DTE. They will let you know when crews are able to take care of your issue. I'm Hank Winchester. Help me, Hank.